Imagine standing on a planet where the air cannot be breathed. The temperature can drop to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, and invisible radiation constantly strikes the surface. If you remove your spacesuit for only a few seconds, the extremely low pressure could cause the fluids inside your body to begin boiling. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the real environment of the planet Mars, so the real question is simple. Could humans actually survive there? From a theoretical scientific perspective, living on Mars may be possible. However, with today's technology, it is extremely dangerous and not yet sustainable. One of the biggest problems is the atmosphere. About 95% of the Martian atmosphere is carbon dioxide, while breathable oxygen is almost completely absent. Another serious challenge is atmospheric pressure. The surface pressure on Mars is less than 1% of the pressure on Earth. Without a protective spacesuit, the human body could not survive in such conditions. Radiation is also a major threat. Unlike Earth, Mars does not have a strong magnetic field or a thick atmosphere to block high-energy cosmic radiation. Temperature is another extreme factor. Near the polar regions, temperatures can fall to around 195 degrees Fahrenheit, making Mars far colder than most places on Earth. Resources are also extremely limited. There is no easily accessible liquid water, no natural oxygen supply, and no ready food sources for humans. So how could humans actually live there? Scientists believe that future settlers may need to live inside underground or heavily shielded pressurized habitats. These habitats would protect people from radiation, cold temperatures, and low atmospheric pressure. Long-term survival would also depend on advanced technology. Future systems could extract water from underground ice, produce oxygen from the atmosphere, and grow food in controlled artificial environments. For example, scientists from NASA developed a device called MOXIE. This instrument successfully demonstrated that breathable oxygen can be produced from carbon dioxide. However, another serious issue is gravity. Mars has only about 38% of the gravity of Earth, which could weaken human muscles and bones. So why do scientists still believe humans may one day live on Mars? Because science does not claim that it is easy today. Instead, scientists believe that future technology may gradually solve many of these challenges. And now comes the most mysterious question. Have scientists ever discovered aliens on Mars? So far, no confirmed evidence of life has been found on the planet. However, researchers continue searching for signs that microbial life may have existed there billions of years ago, and perhaps one day in the distant future. This cold red world could become humanity's second home.